welcome to my channel with Sonal. As promised, in today's video I'm going to show you how to make a basic sleeve pattern. If you're new here, please subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon so that you can get notified whenever I upload a new video, and also comment down below what do you want to see in my next coming videos, and also like my channel, give it a thumbs up. And also guys, don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Facebook. I keep uploading small updates about my videos and I will link them down below in the description box. Make sure to check them, and let's go get the video started. Now I'm going to show you how to make a pattern for basic sleeves, and guys, this is my version. So I take a paper, fold lengthwise, I fold it into half, and this would be my center line, the folded part, and this will be my top line, and this the bottom line. So at first I would draw a straight line on the top part, just to make sure that I have a straight line to work with, just like so. And now what I do is I divide the total of my chest round. So for me, I will take it 40 divided by 4, that comes to 10, and I do it -2, that is 8. And somehow guys, this formula works out for me. So I will make a marking on 8 inches. And draw a straight line down, just like so. And then I will make a marking on 4 inches, and then I draw a straight line from this point, the folded part, to the point where I have marked 4 inches. Alright, so I erased the formula off camera, it was coming in between. And now I divide this line into half. Trust me guys, this is the easiest way that you can draft your sleeves. So it is pretty easy, looks little critical, but it's easy. And I will make a straight line about ½ inch with a 90-degree angle right here. I will take my curve ruler again and just join this with a curve from this point to this point, and from this point to this point. And I will show you how I work with it, and just make it like kind of straight and try to make it one smooth curve. Now I would divide, and now I will just open this part up, back up, and I would just replicate this same part here. Let me show you how I do it. So at first I would just continue this line, extend it straight ahead. I know how much to extend it, just about 8 inches. And then extend this line straight down, and I will make a marking on 4 inches, just as this one. And just connect this part and this part, and now I will replicate this part here, and divide it into half. And now this part, the outer part, I would further divide it into half again. So it's 4.5 inches. So I would divide it so it's 2 1/4. And now when I went ½ inch up here, I will go ½ inch down. and connect it with a smooth curve. This point, and this point. So the part where it is downwards, the curve is downwards, goes towards the front, and the part where it is upwards goes towards the back. And now I will mark the length of my sleeve. This should be done at first, but it's okay if I do it at last as well. So I would go with 7 inches for my sleeve length and just make a straight line. And for my arm round, it is 14 inches. So I will take my ruler on 7 inches, place it on 7 and make a marking here and here, so that the total is 14 inches. And now I will connect this point to the 7 inches point, like so. And same here, I will connect this point to this point. As simple as it can be, as simple as I can make it. This is the pattern that I use for most of my garments, and it turns out pretty great. And so this point, the top point, will be the point which is attached to the shoulder line. So I just make it dark, and whenever I cut the fabric, I make a little notch on the fabric on this point. This is it, guys. I will show you how to cut the pattern from the paper and how to trace it back on the fabric. Alright, so I'm going to cut this from the paper. It is same as all the other patterns. I'm just going to cut it on the cutting line. Looks like. You can always extend the line, the length of the sleeve, and decrease the length of the sleeve, but this top part would remain the same, and even these lines will change if you extend or you shorten the sleeve. Thank you for watching, guys. I have linked my other videos down, so make sure you watch all of them to learn easy sewing from me. Have a good day. Bye bye.